I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Maya Angelou's I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings powerfully depicts her struggles as a young African American girl facing racism and trauma. The metaphor of the caged bird symbolizes her feelings of entrapment and longing for freedom amidst oppression. The story shows her resilience and the importance of finding one's voice despite life's challenges. It explores the challenges of growing up as a black girl in a racist society. The title represents Angelo's struggles with oppression, trauma, and her quest for identity. Through her experiences of racism and abuse, she showed the resilience of the human spirit. Her voice becomes a powerful tool for freedom and self expression despite the confines of her circumstances.